Last month, over 70,000 people bought this $23 stick on one sales channel alone. And if you do the math, that's over $1.6 million in a single month from just one product. And here's the part that nobody scrolling past this is realizing. The main ingredient in this is salmon sperm. I'm not joking. I'm going to show you exactly what this is, why it's exploding right now, and the part that I care the most about, how I'd go after a slice of it with my own Shopify store, including where you can source it because it's actually way cheaper than you'd think. Okay, so the ingredient is called PDRN. And they're talking about it as a sodium DNA, which as you see is extracted from salmon sperm. Salmon DNA is apparently structurally close to human DNA, at least similar enough so that your skin actually treats it as familiar and uses it as a signal to repair itself. After doing a lot of research, I'm seeing a lot of people calling it a gentler alternative to retinol. Retinol being another really popular skincare ingredient that absolutely blew up in the last few years. Now, this started as a clinical thing, people using it in facials for microneedling. This is something literally all these celebrities were talking about like a year ago. But now Korean brands have cracked how to put it in a $23 product. And that's the whole thing. It went viral because the name is super weird and it's sticking around because the science is actually real. So let me show you how big this actually is, not just vibes, right? I'm seeing all these people talking about it, but I want to show you the actual data. You can see search volume has surpassed 360,000 monthly searches. You can see it's been absolutely booming in the last few months. And this is almost what you'd want to look for in a stock chart, right? When you're looking at stocks, is a trend that is just going up and to the right with a few healthy corrections like what we're seeing right here. You can use the analogy of buying the dip on this particular trend. And this is one of the leaders in this category right now that I haven't seen anybody talk about. It's called Kahi, and you can see they've sold 70,000 units on Amazon in just the past month alone, which is around $1.6 million a month. And honestly, the tool's estimated to be a bit higher. Shopee Lab's pulling it closer to 2.1 million a month. But I'm gonna stick with the number that Amazon gives us because I don't need to inflate anything. I mean, 1.6 million a month is already insane for just one single SKU. And this particular trend right here is a smaller trend within the larger PDRN trend, which is stick balms. And that's again where Kahi is really dominating the market. Now, here's where it gets interesting for anybody that's actually wanting to do something with this. Kahi did not invent PDRN. They don't own it. This is a commodity ingredient now that came out of Korea. And a stick balm is pretty much one of the easiest formats to private label that exists right now, which pretty much means that the gap between what these sell for versus what they cost to make is absolutely massive. Let me show you. I'm gonna go to Alibaba.com right now and I'm gonna show you here. I looked up PDRN balm and watch this. You're gonna see a few things immediately that pop out. One thing being a lot of incredible options that pretty much mirror what some of the biggest brands are doing on TikTok Shop and Amazon, as I just showed you. You can see the unit cost here for this one, which is super easy to white label, is $1.40, and that's for 1,000 units. A lot of people assume that you need 10,000 units for a minimum order quantity in order to start a private label brand, but the reality is you really don't. A lot of these suppliers can customize your product in order to fit your brand, and that way, as a Kahi competitor, you could go to market in weeks instead of months. What I suggest you do is you use a sourcing agent that can actually house all of those products that you order. The one that we recommend and use is Teamdrop. You can chat with them on WhatsApp and connect them with the Alibaba supplier that you want to use. That way they can handle all the negotiations and get you the best prices and the lowest minimum order quantities and ship out all the products for you worldwide. So the product itself is not the hard part. It's literally sitting right there. The hard part, and the part that's actually worth a lot of money, is everything after the product. So if I were launching this, here's the actual plan. First, of course, I'd build it on Shopify. It's super cheap, clean, fast, everybody trusts it, and you can actually get started in literally like 10 minutes. You can create a clean single product feel, just a one product store with whichever product you're starting with. This category lives and dies on looking premium, so you definitely don't want to have any crazy things on your store. You want to keep it simple, premium, very nicely branded. An easy way to do that is just to pick a nice font and a clean theme. I do have a theme that I use on all my stores that have hit over $1,000 a day within weeks. It converts really well. It's literally free, so I'll leave that in the description. Now for the positioning, I would do pretty much what Kahi's doing, which is not selling it as salmon sperm, that's just the hook that gets the click, right? But it's not the hook that necessarily gets the purchase. So on the store, I'd do something like regenerative Korean skincare, the more gentle retinol, right? I'd kind of use some of those product aware audiences and these massive trends of the past to create a new mechanism. The weird name like salmon sperm sells the video, right? It gets all the engagement, but the clean story behind it is what's actually going to sell the product. And look, I haven't built a PDRN brand, so I'm not going to pretend I'm printing Kahi money like, these guys are doing, but I did spin up a demo store on Shopify from literal zero to show you that it's real. I was able to build the store in like 20 minutes. I did take a couple hours after to fix it up nicely with ShopiLab using the store builder that I'm a part of. So this is the proof that this isn't just theory. The products are sourceable, the store takes an afternoon to get built, and the trend is already moving exponentially. I do also run a paid ads agency and consultancy, and we're seeing over $1 million a month of ad spend. In fact, we actually have the highest tier of meta ad partner, which is pretty cool. I'm pretty sure less than 1% of meta advertisers can say that, but that's besides the point. My main goals right now are focusing on this one supplement brand that we have that is growing really fast, and also helping more people launch these amazing ideas. And hopefully in the future, I'll get to invest in a few of them, maybe even have a fund that does that, who knows? But right now, those are my two missions. Now, two honest things here that you do need to know about, a little bit of disclaimers. I don't want to oversell this. PDRN does have a fish allergy warning, of course. So that's a real thing that you got to consider and put on your store. Definitely do not hide that. And two, over-the-counter stuff is generally less potent than clinical stuff. So it's not magic, obviously, but the category is one of the biggest stories in skincare of 2026. So you don't need it to be magic in order to sell it. I mean, there's tons of demand here. So that's the trend. Salmon DNA and specifically Kahi. $1.6 million a month for these guys. A commodity ingredient you can source today and a format that potentially takes an afternoon to launch. So if you want to build the store, I dropped the links in the description here. It's the fastest way I know how to get this live quick. We do have spots open also for our ShopiLab platform, and the Shopify link is going to be at the top as well if you need that Shopify deal that they offer for 90 days. Actually, it's $1 a month for 90 days. Pretty good way to get started. I'll probably build this one out for real if enough of you want to see that as a demo store. So let me know if you want to see that, but I'll see you in the next one.